Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Georgetown long-distance movers near me. When it comes to moving within the city, Georgetown's local TM movers offer the best moving experience. While handling a local move yourself may seem like the best option, it can get tedious and tasking. Here are some reasons to let 3 Movers handle your local move. Familiarity with the area. Our MA movers deeply understand the local area. They're familiar with the neighborhood layouts, traffic patterns, parking regulations, and any potential obstacles that may arise during the move. This knowledge allows us to plan and execute your relocation in Georgetown efficiently, saving time and minimizing potential complications. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Georgetown moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.